Hey guys, so we're back and we're going to look today at KitCollab on GimKit. So we're back on our Kit's main page, and I'm going to go over to this left-hand panel over here. I'm going to hit KitCollab. KitCollab allows your students to create the kit. After students join the game, they'll submit a question to be added. You can accept or reject the questions that come in. Then you play a game with the kit the class just made. Continue. So this is going to be with our theme, Taylor Swift kit. Awesome, got a picture there. So we're gonna just select regular classic game mode for now. I like to give my kids about 7 minutes. If you decide to do a class, you can do that. Typically, I would say, especially if you are taking it for a grade because you want to grade the questions that they turn in, definitely do it by class. In this case, I'm not going to though because I'm going to be joining the game. So I'm going to join with the game code. This is the right side of my screen is what your students will see. And I'm going to type my name. Click join. Now notice that my name is red over here. I'm going to go ahead and copying and pasting my question in. The question that I wrote was, Taylor Swift's 2020 album Folklore marked the largest debut week of any artist since her 2019 album Lover, which marked the largest debut week of any artist since her 2017 album Dancer's Reputation. Other albums I'm going to put down here, 1989, I'm going to put Red, and then Evermore, which was the second one she released in 2020. Notice my name is red, but when I submit my question, my name turns green. And I can choose to either add or reject a question. If I choose to reject it, my name will go back to red, but I'm going to choose to add it. And once I choose to add it, then I can go ahead and start the game. Now when I start the game, as with any game, it plays out in that way. Now, once the game is over, I can view the report. And Megan P answered one question. What was the question breakdown? Here's one issue that Miss Cook broke down for us. She did let me know that when you're looking at the questions, a good way to see which one it is potentially, or when the questions, you're not going to be able to see what kid submitted what question. So if you're going to take that for a grade, you need to be sure that you do that early on. It's a great way to get your kids involved in picking the most missed questions. It's a great way to especially get them involved after a tough quiz that they take. Make them write down a question in their notebook. Make them write down a question in their notebook about it. So that way, when you come back to it the next day and you ask them to write their question, they already have it made. Because Ms. Cook was telling me, she said some kids do it really quickly and some kids really don't do it quickly. So it's really important that you might want to give it to them as either a warm-up or as something to think about the day before, because some kids get very perfectionist oriented with it. But anyways, I hope that was helpful, and I hope you enjoy using KitCollab.